In today's modern motorcycle world, where almost every brand feels similar with the same LED lighting, aggressive naked designs, and futuristic styling, there is still one machine that stands out with its own identity on the road. That machine is the Honda Fury. But the real question is whether this legendary factory chopper could be getting a major update in 2026, and that is where the story becomes truly interesting. Recent rumors and discussions suggest that the Honda Fury might not just continue as it is, but could actually receive a next-level upgrade. Imagine a 2026 version with a refined yet more powerful V-twin engine, delivering not only smooth cruising, but also stronger torque punch. Low RPM heavy pull combined with effortless highway dominance could completely elevate its riding experience. And it is not just about the engine. There is also talk of possible evolution in design. The same classic chopper identity could remain, but with sharper finishing. The long stretched frame would still be there, but with more modern detailing. The iconic fuel tank shape could stay unchanged, but with a more premium texture and refined build quality. On top of that, rumors suggest Honda could introduce modern ride assist features such as improved ABS tuning, more refined throttle response, and better stability control, all while carefully preserving the raw chopper feel that defines the Fury. In simple words, the bike would become more modern, but its soul would still remain true to the original Fury character. This is where the real debate begins. Should Honda modernize the Fury and push it into a new era, or should it remain exactly the same raw factory chopper it has always been? The interesting part is that the problem is not that the Fury is outdated, but that it is unique in its own category. In today's market, where every motorcycle is chasing performance numbers and electronic features, the Honda Fury still represents something different: presence, attitude, and pure road identity. And maybe that is exactly why this discussion is still alive in 2026. Does the Honda Fury still deserve the title of the last real factory chopper, or are we about to witness a completely new evolution of this iconic machine? Now the decision is in your hands. And if we look even deeper into this discussion, the Honda Fury is no longer just about a single motorcycle. It has become a symbol of a fading design philosophy in the modern bike industry. Every year, motorcycles are becoming more advanced, more digital, and more focused on performance numbers. But very few machines still carry a pure identity like the Fury does. That is why its possible 2026 evolution is such a hot topic among riders and enthusiasts. If Honda truly decides to update the Fury, the challenge will not just be adding new features, but carefully balancing modernization with originality. A stronger and more refined V-twin engine could make it more responsive and powerful, but it must still retain that relaxed, low-rev chopper character that defines its personality. Too much aggression in performance would break the very essence of what makes the Fury special. On the technology side, Honda could introduce smarter systems like improved braking control, better traction management, and refined fuel mapping. But the real art would be in keeping these systems invisible to the rider experience. The Fury should still feel like a raw mechanical machine, not a heavily digital motorcycle pretending to be a chopper. Design-wise, any changes would also need to be extremely subtle. The long stretched frame, low stance, and minimalist bodywork are not just styling elements. They are the identity of the machine. A more premium finish, better detailing, and slightly sharper visual refinement could work. But the core silhouette must remain untouched if Honda wants to preserve its legacy. This is why the debate continues to grow. Because the Honda Fury is not just a product, it is a statement about what motorcycles used to represent. And in a world moving rapidly toward technology and uniform designs, the Fury stands as a reminder of individuality, attitude, and raw road presence. So the final question still remains open. Is the Honda Fury heading toward evolution? Or should it stay exactly as it is and continue representing the last true factory chopper identity? And in the end, this entire discussion goes far beyond just the Honda Fury itself. Reflects a much bigger shift happening in the motorcycle world. Modern bikes are getting faster, smarter, and more technologically advanced every year. But at the same time, something very important is slowly disappearing: raw personality. The kind of motorcycles that didn't just perform on paper, but made you feel something every time you looked at them or rode them. The Honda Fury stands exactly in that rare category. It is not trying to be the fastest, the lightest, or the most advanced machine on the road. Instead, it represents a design philosophy that focuses on presence, emotion, and individuality. That is why even today it still manages to turn heads. Because it doesn't blend in with modern motorcycle trends, it stands apart from them. Now, if Honda decides to evolve the Fury for 2026, it will not be a simple upgrade decision. It will be a very delicate balance between progress and preservation. One wrong step towards over-modernization could completely destroy its identity, while no change at all could make it feel left behind in a rapidly evolving market. That is the real challenge, but maybe that is also the beauty of this situation. Not every motorcycle needs to chase evolution at full speed. Some machines exist to preserve a feeling, a style, and a mindset that is slowly fading from the industry. The Fury might just be one of those rare motorcycles that reminds us why people fell in love with riding in the first place. Not because of screens, sensors, or specifications, but because of pure mechanical emotion. So whether the Honda Fury evolves in 2026 or remains exactly the same, one thing is already clear: its value is not defined by how modern it becomes, but by how strongly it continues to represent a disappearing era of motorcycling. So in the end, whether the Honda Fury evolves in 2026 with new updates or continues in its original factory chopper form, one thing is already clear: its real value has never been defined by specs, speed, or technology. It is defined by its identity, its simplicity, and the strong road presence that still makes it instantly recognizable, even today. In a world where motorcycles are becoming more complex, more digital, and more similar to each other, the Honda Fury continues to represent something rare: pure attitude on two wheels. And that is exactly why it still gets attention, still gets discussed, and still stays relevant in conversations about legendary motorcycles. If you enjoyed this deep dive into iconic bikes and future motorcycle updates, make sure to subscribe to Bike News, turn on the bell icon, and stay connected for more legendary stories, upcoming bike news, and future motorcycle concepts.